Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'll be going over the steps to start folding at home. First, I'm going to open up the web browser and search for folding at home, or you could go to foldingathome.org to get started. Okay, once we're here, we're just going to click the link. I'll make this big so you guys can see. And we just want to click on the Start Folding Now button. And it's going to bring you to a page that's going to give you a little bit of information and a download link. Oh, I guess I have to go to this download now. Okay, once you're here, there's a link down there that says Windows. Depends if you have Windows or Mac. There's alternate downloads underneath there as well. Just click the link and start the download. Now, this Folding at Home project was started at a Stanford University in 1999 and has been running over 10 years. And they actually have their publications on their paper page as well for anybody that wants to look into that. And this here helps with helps find the cures for diseases like cancer, ALS, Parkinson's, Huntington's disease, influenza, and many other ones. And this is actually how I'm gonna try and help with the COVID-19 pandemic that's going on, because they have the option to select that. So if you guys are looking ways to help out during this pandemic, there's a research team for the Folding at Home dedicated to the COVID-19 folding. So I'm going to be going into that and installing it and setting up a team. And I'm just going to wait for this here download, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, once it's done downloading, we're just going to click on it here and open it. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. You have to click OK on that. Alright, just checking. Next. Okay, this isn't spamware. Agree. And we're just going to do the Express installation, which is recommended. I'm not an advanced user. It's the first time using it, so I'm just going to go with the basic one to see how it goes. Okay, we'll start it up here. Okay, and it did ask me for permission. Have to click accept on that. Alright, welcome to Folding at Home. Please read this. I'm just going to I'll create an identity for the purpose of this here video. Make sure I go through all the processes. Okay, it's pretty basic. It just add a name, a team number, and a passkey. ZN team. We'll change that. We'll change that later. We're just using this as an example. I'll change it here in just a minute, actually. Just make sure I'm reading all the information. Make sure you take your time to go down and read through it. The press keys are used to add an extra level of security for those that need that information. So I'm going to get this and do it on the other page. There's definitely something that you want. It definitely, if you want your bonus points. Okay, we're just going to go down here and save it while we wait for our passkey to come in. Alright, we'll take a look around here. Okay, there's power settings. That's pretty nice. My GPU doesn't seem to be working. Any disease. Make sure you switch this to the ones you want. I'm doing the COVID-19. I'm going to be dedicating this here team to COVID-19. So anybody that wants to join up, I'm going to do a team thing too. Probably do that at the end of the video as a little bonus add-on. And we'll just see where it goes. Get a couple computers to work on it. I have one I'm going to dedicate to it full time here. So that should be interesting to see. There's a point system, so I do like that. It adds the game type to the, like, I got to win, I got to climb up the leaderboard some points. So I find that very fun with it. So it's just not something to stare at and you get nothing for it. It's actually pretty rewarding. You get to see that your points, you get to see your impact. So I find that very interesting with this, and I actually like the idea of it. I was Bitcoin mining the same way that this is working. So I've been having quite a bit of fun, and okay, when you go to stop, it actually allows you to have the choice to finish before stopping. That's pretty nice. Okay, and consider joining a team. Okay, I'm just going through everything here. I'm just taking a look. Looks to be working fine. And like I said before, if you guys are looking for ways to help with the COVID-19 research, you guys can just go to the website, download this, click it. It's pretty easy, and it should be just as easy as that. Oh, just one more thing. We're going to change our team name, or my name, to ZN Solo 101 instead of ZN Team, and click Save. Alright, there we go. Actually, it was pretty easy to change your information. I'm going to set up a team here next. I'm just going to take a couple minutes and get set up for that, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, let's start a team. First off, I went to the website, I went to support and statistics. Here on this here page, it gives you some information and the button to start a team. We're just going to click that and fill out the information. My information's already filled out there. I just did it and finished this. It'll tell you how to do it step by step at the apps.foldingathome.org/team will allow you to fill out all the information required for you to start up your team. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave a comment below. Like and get subscribed for more content, guys. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.